Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install AnyDesk on your Mac operating system. So AnyDesk is an application which allows you to share your desktop remotely. So let's see how we can download and install AnyDesk. For that, just open your favorite browser and search for AnyDesk, and the first link which will appear here will be from anydesk.com. So I'm going to click on this link. Here you will be able to see the download now button straight away. So I'm going to click on the download now button here, which is going to download this anydesk.dmg file. You can see it has already recognized that I'm on the Mac OS, so it has downloaded the DMG file format on my Mac operating system automatically. So I don't need to even select that I need to download the MacBook version. Once this DMG file is downloaded, I'm going to click on this DMG file and let me minimize the browser. So here the installation window has been started. So to install AnyDesk, you just need to drag this AnyDesk icon into your applications folder. When you drag and drop and hover over this applications folder, you will be able to see that you can see the plus icon. So just drag and drop like this. So once you have copied this AnyDesk app into the applications folder, we can close this window. We can also eject this AnyDesk from here. So right click and then click on eject AnyDesk. And then we can go to the launch pad and you will be able to see the AnyDesk icon. You can also search for AnyDesk in the search bar and then click on AnyDesk here, and you will be able to see this kind of window. So when AnyDesk starts for the first time, you can see grant AnyDesk the required permission to complete the remote access functionally. You can see open screen recording preferences. It's denied at this point. I can click on open screen recording preferences here, and then I can enable the AnyDesk option here, which will allow the screen recording via AnyDesk. Also, you can select other options like accessibility and full disk access so that AnyDesk can work functionally on your Mac operating system. So when you click on access request accessibility, it's going to once again open the window in the accessibility section, and you just need to enable it. And when you open full disk access, it's also going to open the privacy and security section, and here you can provide the access to the AnyDesk application. Once you provide access to all these functionalities, then you will be able to open AnyDesk. So from here you can see one more window is opened now, and here you will be able to see the AnyDesk status, and from here you can just give this code to your colleague, then he will be able to access your Mac operating system remotely. Also, when you want to set any password, you can click on the password here, and you will be able to set the password for your access. So when you give this code to your colleague, so this code, then he will also need to have the password, so that it's not simply available on internet. Your desktop access will also be protected by the password. In future, if you want to do some settings, you can click on AnyDesk at the menu and then click on preferences, and in future you will be able to do settings from this window, like general settings are available here, security settings are available here, and then privacy and other settings are also available from here. So this is how you can download and install AnyDesk on your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.